Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design Learning Solidworks series. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to explode the assembly and how to animate those. Okay, you can collapse or you can explode both ways. So let's just get into the this option which is in the assembly mode, where you can select the exploded view, and then you can go to the first is the manual and second one is the this one radial. And there are two steps. So this one is most useful for the manual regular step explode mode. So what you can do here, you can select any part which you want to move in a direction. You can give the reference, okay, and then you have to give the difference, then you have to create the steps. And here you can check the auto space component, so it will automatically space by themselves without any interaction, right? So if you have any sub assemblies, you can just select the sub assembly, so that you can do. So first we will go up to the part level. Let's say I want to move this this one, okay, single valves and rockers. So this is the assembly which I have made, okay, and if I want to move this like this, okay, and you are done. Now if I want to move this part, okay, this cam to this part, and I will click the OK, right? So as you can see, this is the sub assembly mode, where you can check. Now if you click the select sub assemblies part, then it will allow you to move the separate parts rather than sub assembly. Let's say I want to move this, so it will move like that, okay, then done. Then I want to move this, then it done. Then it should be something like this. Same way you can do this on this assembly as well. Now what I have done, I have created the 5 steps. So in the 5 steps, you can just click the timeline, okay, this is the time frame rollback bar, okay. Now if you click the OK, then you will have the explode assembly, right? And you can just right click on it and go to the collapse, then it will collapse automatically, okay. Your exploded step will be there only, okay. So what you can do, you can just animate explode and it will give you the animation, right? And whatever speed you want, like half of the speed, you can just click and it will come like that, okay. Smooth transition will be there. So this is the animation controller, where you can save your animation in any file, whatever aspect ratio or a frame per second, okay. If you do it 30 to 60 fps, then it will be a very smooth video for the users, and it will be very like graphically it will be good for representation, right? So that's how you can create your videos of collapse and explode both. That's how you can use your explode view, right? And also you can just click the items to connect like that, okay. Just like that you can create the parts, okay, and it will show the line, okay, where it is going, how it is getting assembled. So this is the line of explode, right? So that's how you can represent your this explode view and animate it, okay. So this is all for the video. If you like the video, keep sharing, keep learning, and thank you for watching.